In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for business operations management. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and increase productivity, you're in the right place. We're focusing on building a task management system, which is an essential part of keeping any business organized and efficient. So let's dive in. To begin with, we'll set up a foundational piece of our system, a tasks database. This database will be the core of your operations, helping you track and manage all tasks across your business. To create this, start by opening Notion and navigating to the space where you'd like to add your tasks database. You can add a new page and choose the database option to get started. Now with your database set up, let's add some crucial properties that will help manage your tasks effectively. The first property you'll add is Task, which serves as the title of each task. This is where you'll briefly describe what needs doing. Next, create the Status property. You'll use the Select type here, enabling you to define specific statuses for each task. These might include options like Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. This helps everyone see at a glance where each task stands. Following that, add a Priority property. Again, use the Select type to provide options such as Low, Medium, and High. Assigning priority levels will help your team prioritize their workload effectively, ensuring that the most critical tasks are tackled first. Moving on, you'll want to know who's responsible for each task. For this, add an Assignee property. Choose the Person type, allowing you to assign tasks to specific individuals within your team. Next, add a Department property with the Select type. This is especially useful if your business has multiple departments, as it enables you to categorize tasks according to the department responsible for them. For planning and timeline management, the Due Date property is essential. Use the Date type, allowing you to assign a due date to each task, keeping everything on schedule and helping you meet deadlines. Another powerful feature of Notion is the ability to link databases. This brings us to the Project property, where you'll use the Relation type. This allows you to connect each task to a broader project database, giving you a comprehensive view of how individual tasks fit into larger goals. Lastly, add a Tags property. Select Multi-Select, enabling you to tag tasks with keywords or categories like Urgent, Finance, or Marketing. This adds another layer of organization and facilitates quick searches. Now that you've built your database, don't forget to regularly update it, ensuring task information stays accurate and reflective of current priorities and statuses. Over time, you may find the need to adjust or expand properties to better align with your business needs. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful task management system in Notion that will enhance your business operations. Give it a try and watch how it transforms the way you work. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your business processes.